So this is Jim, and this is Slop in the Shop time. Slop in the Shop's basically my collection of mail call, this and that pieces. So enjoy the video that you're fixing to see. See, we get a little bit old slop in the shop. We'll feed the pig. Have a good one. Well, I think I'm back on stump project today. So this is one of the stumps. And walk right over here. Here's the it. So fixing Epps and soft these suckers down. I've been drilling this morning and blowed them out. See what we get. Okay, here we go. This is to cover them up. There's the one, here's my wheelbarrow, and there's the other one. So when I throw this in some Machinist stuff, I showed that I was working on stumps a while back, so we'll see how this works. I'll give you a report along the way. I'm not even going to look at them for at least a month, 6 weeks anyway. Then we'll see. I'm handheld with the other. You know, there's chores you just got to do, and there's tools that you just need to have. My lawnmower jack's one of them. Yeah. In case you're wondering, you know my shop's small. I don't have a large enough shop that even driving the lawnmower is an option. And I've got a mow today, probably this afternoon because it's Friday wet. So what I do is when I buy a mower, this phone's shaking. I just got down hard. My knees are, I've got a little arthritis in my knees, and getting up and down is one of the challenges in life. And so what I've done is I've jacked my mower up and used electric impact wrench. These screws tend to get tight for some reason, and just whoop the blades off and put a new set on. Now what I'll do is I'll take these blades here and just sharpen them. I'll do that this morning before I actually cut grass, trim, or do anything, and then put them up. And then the next time I need to change blades, I just go right ahead and I'll change my blades in the lawnmower. So that's just one of the little things you do besides working in the shop. And this, you know, it's interesting. It's life. Keeps things interesting here. My external mic's going to get loose here. So that's what we got going on. If you look over in the corner right here in this corner, I'm going to do some work there. I'm going to take all that out, put another unit in that I've got in another place stored, and try to build some shelving around some stuff. I ain't really decided. I'm thinking even this jack's I'm probably leave the jack where it's at, but I'm gonna find a different way to store the handle. The main reason is I'm gonna try to get some space off my shelf, and you know, I'm gonna let me just cut off and do it reposition. Workbench is getting cluttered again, and part of it is just no dang room. Over here in this corner, I'm gonna store that fan. That jack actually is something I just picked out of the bottom when I was looking and doing some measuring. And then, you know, I got all this right over here in this corner cluttered up. I really just don't have workspace. So to create shelf space, I need to get stuff moved. There's my chargers for all my cordless stuff. They reside right over behind that piece of railroad iron. Under this rug is the dividing head I just bought. Over in this other corner a minute ago, I didn't show it. If you see it over under a rag, is over side of the bandsaw is my my rotary table that I purchased. So I really need a little bit of room. So to create the room, or to create some of this, is I want to get some things moved off of this bench. I really just want to find me a good storage place to put some of my stuff. To do that, I'm going to have to do some builds, you know, go under there and try to get more stuff underneath, put in some shelving, probably build some more shelving. Excuse me, I'll turn you around, and this might be a little bit handheld just a second. and try to put some shelving in this area here in the shop behind this workbench, so I can get some of my stuff moved to better places. Maybe like my chargers or stuff, and I might just put like staggered shelves in there. I'm not kind of got that worked out in my head, but somewhere over in here the chargers are going to go, and I may go ahead and just put another set of shelves kind of in the middle there, not letting them join yet, just so that I may go ahead and have them where they'll join. Yet I haven't decided. It's just kind of up in the air what I want to do here. By doing what I'm talking about, I can kind of do that and attach them. So that may be the plan, just to get some shelving up there. So that's something I'm gonna be working on next before I do any more machining, because quite frankly, I gotta get some stuff. I've got stuff up in the air and shelving, and I've got it pretty full. If you'll notice around my shop, I've got it full of stuff. I mean, you know, just things that's, most stuff on the shelves is things I need occasionally. You know, and I don't have any other place to put it. So my shelving is kind of full. You know, some of these are hand tools and stuff that I just use occasionally. Some of them is bags and stuff. And, you know, it just takes up a lot of, you know, just stuff you need to keep handy. And I'm having problems putting stuff up that I want to get a hold of, so I need to move it up. See, I got a lot of oils and stuff on this shelf, and I really need more room up. I need to get some of this stuff off of there so I can get to it. So that may be part of what's going to happen here, just kind of spread it out. So with all that to be done, that's just kind of giving you where I'm going to be going next. So you all have a great day. Okay, hey, we're doing something here. My neighbor's over here mowing, but I'm going to shoot a video that I'm going to put up here in a little bit. One of the quandaries of home machinists is where you get your material. This is my material rack, and most of this comes from all kind of sources. Part of today's video is going to show you one place. So that's what you're seeing here, my rack. One of the sources is a local scrapyard, and the scrapyard locally here is not letting us go in anymore. So to buy, you can still sell. Some of this scrap come from work, and I bought some here yesterday at a metals place. Well, I'm going to speak to my neighbor. I'll talk to you later. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed making it for you. This again, a quick thanks to all the folks who subscribe and comment on my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please hit the little subscribe button there, you know, below the video. Again, this is a copyrighted production of James Deadman Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you on the next video.